You're eating better, walking more, and sleeping okay. But the scale won't budge, and you're dragging through the day. What if the real problem isn't your willpower, but your hormones? In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the hidden hormone imbalances quietly hijacking your energy, metabolism, and mood. These aren't rare medical conditions. They're common misunderstood shifts happening in millions of bodies every day, especially if you're stressed, overwhelmed, or doing everything right with no results. Let's break down the 3 most common hormonal blocks keeping you stuck, plus one bonus to watch out for. Hormone number 1, cortisol, your body's internal alarm bell. Cortisol is your get-up-and-go hormone. But when stress becomes chronic from work, burnout, or too much caffeine, your body stops knowing when to shut it off. You might feel wired and jittery in the morning but hit a wall by 2 p.m. Or you lie in bed exhausted but wide awake. Here's what it looks like. You struggle with midsection weight gain, especially belly fat. You have trouble falling or staying asleep. You might feel tired and edgy at the same time. Ready for the reset strategy? Cut caffeine after 1 p.m. Get 10 minutes of morning sunlight without sunglasses. Try a short walk or deep breathing instead of doom scrolling. Here's a quick stat. A 2020 study found chronic cortisol elevation can suppress metabolism by up to 20%. Hidden hormone number 2, insulin, the silent sugar saboteur. Insulin is what helps your cells absorb glucose. But when it spikes too often from processed snacks, frequent grazing, or sugary drinks, your cells stop responding. That's insulin resistance. Here's what it looks like. Cravings after meals, feeling sleepy or bloated after eating. Many experience fat that accumulates around the waistline. Ready for the reset strategy? Try eating 3 solid meals instead of snacking all day. Front-load protein and fiber at breakfast. Think eggs plus avocado toast or chia pudding plus berries. Skip juices and even healthy fruit smoothies. Did you know that more than 80 million Americans struggle with insulin resistance? Many of them have no clue they have it. Hidden hormone number 3. Thyroid hormones, the metabolic thermostat. When your thyroid slows down, everything slows down. It affects your temperature, digestion, mood, and how quickly you convert food into fuel. Here's what it looks like. Cold hands and feet. You may experience thinning hair or dry skin. You suffer from fatigue that doesn't improve, even with rest. Ready for the reset strategy? Add selenium from Brazil nuts, iodine from seaweed, and zinc from pumpkin seeds or eggs. Don't guess. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, get a full thyroid panel on your blood work, not just TSH. Lower stress and reduce overtraining. Your thyroid loves rest. Did you know women are up to 8 times more likely than men to experience thyroid imbalance? Here's a bonus hormonal factor. Estrogen or progesterone imbalance. If you feel extra bloated, foggy, or irritable, especially during certain times of the month, estrogen dominance may be involved. Men can also experience low testosterone symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, and low motivation. Ready to learn what helps? Start strength training 2 to 3 times per week. Eat cruciferous veggies like broccoli or spinach to support detox. Get quality sleep plus magnesium-rich foods. You might be asking, what can I start doing today? Here's the good news. Your hormones aren't broken. They're just responding to your environment. Small changes compound. Try these tips today. Eat 1 high-protein breakfast. Take 1 10-minute walk after a meal. Tonight, try an evening with no screens 1 hour before bed. Over time, these habits calm cortisol, sensitize insulin, and gently nudge your thyroid and sex hormones back into balance. Because when your hormones work with you, fatigue fades, weight releases, and everything feels easier. Do you experience any of these symptoms? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more grounded health tips that help you feel like you again, subscribe so you don't miss out. Your body isn't the enemy. It's just asking you to listen.
If this helped you, wait till you see what's next. It just might explain the missing piece in your routine.
Tap the video on screen to go deeper and hit subscribe for your weekly dose of smart, feel-good health.